ser dois kits iguais.
This is the kit for ROVs, small ROVs, but this is for intervention. CP probe, it could be a knife. I need to see here what is that, but it looks like a magnetic, some hooks. It is very interesting kit. Yes, show. This is interesting because we have brushes and we have a CP probe, Marine Growth ruler. See, many things that it should be very interesting to use on small ROVs. So that I will study what is this, the function, in CP probe, many things that could be integrated on the small ROVs. Look at that, we can measure, and the tube, the pipes. So it's a new one. This is from Digital Edge. They sent to us to see this, how is these new things they have, and the new technology and new things for ROV systems.